Hello students. So now we shall study the last part of mycology, namely the economic importance of fungi, particularly the role of fungi in medicine and industry. So this is Rekha from Government Science College, Bangalore. Fungi includes a number of species which are economically important to man. So, our lives are intimately linked with the fungi, and hardly a day doesn't pass without the association of it, and we are linked to it directly or indirectly. They play an important role in medicine, yielding antibiotics, in agriculture by maintaining the fertility of the soil, and of course, it causes crop diseases and fruit diseases. It forms the basis of a number of industries, and it is also an important means of food. So, these are some of the beneficial aspects. So, it also plays a negative role by causing the spoilage of stored goods such as foodstuffs, textiles, leather, rubber, plastics, timber, and even glass. So, coming to the role of fungi in medicine. Firstly, it plays a main role as antibiotics. So, fungi produces certain substances which help to cure diseases caused by pathogenic microorganisms, and these substances which are produced are called as antibiotics. These antibiotics fight back against the pathogenic bacteria. So not only it kills the pathogenic bacteria, some fungal antibiotics are also fed to the slaughter animals to promote the rapid growth and improve the quality of the meat products. Some antibiotics are also used to preserve the freshly killed poultry for long periods of time. So, antibiotic refers to the organic substance produced by the microorganism which inhibits the growth of certain other microorganisms. The first antibiotic, penicillin, was discovered by Alexander Fleming from Penicillium notatum in 1929. So, it is also called as the wonder drug. This penicillin is lethal to microbes and more effective than ordinary drugs and germicides, and it plays an important role in killing gram positive bacteria. So, in this picture you can see the structure of penicillium. So, the success of this penicillin as an antibiotic, it led to the further research to find out the new antibiotics. So, the next important antibiotic which was discovered was streptomycin from Streptomyces griseus. So, these bacteria are the sources of many antibiotics such as chloromycetin, aureomycin, terramycin, etc. They inhibit the growth of not only the pathogenic bacteria, but they are also used as antiviral substances which kills the viruses. So, these are a list of some common antibiotics obtained from fungi. So, penicillin is obtained from Penicillium notatum and Penicillium chrysogenum. So, it is antibacterial in biological activity, especially the gram positive bacteria. Streptomycin obtained from Streptomyces griseus, which is antibacterial. Terramycin from Streptomyces ramosus, which is also antibacterial. Chloromycetin is obtained from Streptomyces venezuelae, which is antibacterial and it functions against rickettsia. Aureomycin, it is obtained from Streptomyces aureofaciens and it is antibacterial. Griseofulvin is obtained from Penicillium griseofulvum and it is antifungal. Patulin is obtained from Penicillium patulum, which is antibacterial and antifungal. So, this is a list of some important antibiotics obtained from the fungi. So secondly, apart from antibiotics, so ergotin is obtained from the sclerotia of Claviceps purpurea, a pathogen on rye. Ergot is used in veterinary and human medicine and also in controlling hemorrhage during childbirth. So ephedrine is extracted from the yeast and it is used against asthma. Calvacin is obtained from the giant puffball Calvaceae, which contains an anti-cancer substance called calvacin, which prevents the stomach tumors. So next, coming to the role of fungi in industry. So fungi form the basis of many important industries. Industrial processes depend on biochemical activities of certain fungi. Some important processes are alcoholic fermentation. So it is the basis of brewing and baking industries where yeasts are used. Yeast secrete the enzyme zymase, which ferments sugar solution into ethyl alcohol and carbon dioxide. In brewing or wine making industry, alcohol is the important product, and in the baking industry, carbon dioxide is the useful product. So secondly, enzymes. So various kinds of enzymes are synthesized on commercial scale utilizing fungi. So some of the important enzymes are pectinase, amylase, invertase, protease, etc. So these are pure enzymes. Apart from this, the commercially available enzymes such as digestin, polyzyme and taka diastase are obtained from Aspergillus flavus oryzae. So these are used in desizing of textiles and dextrinization of starch. Pectinase is synthesized from Penicillium glaucum and Aspergillus species. These are used in cleaning fruit juices. Amylase is obtained from Aspergillus oryzae, used in the preparation of adhesives in pharmaceutical products, in textile industry, etc. So invertase obtained from Saccharomyces cerevisiae and used in the conversion of sugar into hexoses and for chocolate coated candies and also syrups. Proteases is obtained from Aspergillus flavus oryzae. So next, coming to the organic acids. So the important organic acids are the fumaric acid extracted from Rhizopus nigricans, gallic acid extracted from Penicillium glaucum and Aspergillus gallomyces, which are used in the manufacture of certain dyes. Citric acid is obtained from Mucar and Aspergillus species, which is used in dyeing, calico printing, silvering, medical use and in the manufacture of ink. Kojic acid is obtained from Aspergillus oryzae. Gluconic acid obtained from both Aspergillus niger and Penicillium chrysogenum. Itaconic acid is extracted from Aspergillus terreus and it is used in the preparation of dental plastics, ion exchange resins, laminating resins and plastics. So this is the diagram of Aspergillus. So next is gibberellins. So gibberellins, as you all know, it is a plant hormone produced by the fungus Gibberella fugicori. It is used in leaf elongation, germination, leaf expansion, flowering, parthenocarpy, fruit setting, etc. So fungi is not spared in the food industry, especially the cheese industry. So Aspergillus and Penicillium are commonly used in ripening of the cheese, giving a characteristic texture and flavor. The two chief kind of mold refined cheeses are Camembert and Brie types, Roquefort and Stilton types. So in Camembert and Brie types, Penicillium camemberti and Penicillium cassiaicolu is used for ripening. So in Roquefort and Stilton types, they used the green or the blue veined cheese ripened by Penicillium Roquefort type. So yeasts are also used to synthesize the proteins. Certain fungi such as Aspergillus nudulans, Aspergillus sidousi, Fisheri, Pisarum, Javanicus, etc. they are used as good source of fat. Some fungal spores are brightly colored and few are used as dyestuffs. Example, Monascus purpureus has been used for red coloration of rice during early days. Yeasts are best source of vitamin B complex. Molds and yeasts are utilized in the synthesis of ergosterol, which contains vitamin D. Riboflavin is obtained from Ashby gossypi and cyanocobalamin is produced from Streptomyces griseus. Thank you.